Hi, my name is Sarah Lang. I'm a mom of four, a registered nurse, and a board-certified lactation consultant. I wanted to share with you today one of my new favorite products, the LaVie Lactation Massager, which is literally a lifesaver if you're a breastfeeding or pumping mom. So we all know that breastfeeding and pumping is absolutely amazing, but it really can bring some challenges, and the lactation massager is here to help get you through those challenges quicker so that you can spend more time with your family and your little one. What I love about the LaVie Lactation Massager is that it has three unique shapes to its sides. So this narrow-ended side is really good for getting into clogged ducts and stimulating a letdown. This curved edge right here is really good for moving fluid if you're engorged, and this wide base is really good for helping drain your breasts more efficiently and faster if you're breastfeeding or pumping. It's also super easy to hold. There's several vibration modes that really help you customize to make what's comfortable for you. And it's 100% waterproof, so you can get in the shower with it. How awesome is that? So whether you're at the beginning, the middle, or the end of your breastfeeding or pumping journey, the LaVie Lactation Massager really is a must-have tool for you.